Oh shit. Here we go again.
Welcome back to my channel guys. I hope you are enjoying the Japanese room design series so far. We are halfway through the modeling the room, and in this part we will focus on creating the green mat. In the previous part we worked on the wooden floor for the corridor, so if you missed it be sure to check it out. And without wasting any other time, let's get started. So don't mind the door here, don't worry about it. We'll get to know about this in the next part. So now we will make the green mat or the green floor, which is this part. It's pretty easy. So what we'll do, we'll press shift A and then from mesh we'll choose plane. By pressing forward slash we'll go in isolation mode and press scale it and press 6. And now again we'll go outside the isolation mode and while keep selecting it while being
Time out. Y'all know how to wait. Y'all know. Y'all.
as it is selected we will press G and then press Y to move it along the Y axis and leave it somewhere here, and keep it in mind, use snapping edge. Okay, by default it will be increment, change it to edge so that we can snap our plane to the edge. Select it again, press G and now press Y, shift tab, and see, this is how we snap it. Go into the tab mode, edit mode, press Ctrl R, make 3 sections for it, and again press Ctrl R, make 3 horizontal edge loops. Now press 3, select all the outer sections, press X and delete faces. And now we'll press, we will go in the front view and press A to select everything, press E to extrude it and shift tab. Now our floor is on the same height as our wooden floor. To get this design, it's pretty easy. We will select, by pressing 2 we will select this edge, press X and dissolve edge, press X, dissolve edge, press X, dissolve edge, press X, dissolve edge. Now for making the borders, for getting the borders, this darker lines, first we'll go outside the tab mode, select it, press F2 and rename it as green mat. Go in edit mode again by pressing tab. We'll go for the top view, press 2 and select all these edges, press shift again, and yes, now we have selected it. Now we will give them bevel by using Ctrl B. Use shift for precise beveling must be, this is more than enough, I guess. We can tweak it from here. Wait, what was the 1 9? We'll make it 2. Yes, this is fine. And now we will clean it a bit. Let us see if I press this X and dissolve vertices. Ooh, wait, not vertices, dissolve edge. No need to worry, leave it. We'll select all these middle edges. One by one and press X and dissolve edges. As you can see, we are almost. Press this and press X. So what is the issue here? It's fine, it's fine. Now we'll press 3 and select these faces. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll select these faces and press Shift D for duplicating them. Right click and press P for selection, and now tab out. Select the green mat 001 and rename it as dark green border. Later on, while giving colors, this will be very helpful to us. And we'll also add the wooden plank for the wall. Press tab. We'll select this, and this. Wait, I didn't quite get it right. We will select this too. Press Shift D and right click to leave it in its original place. Press P and selection. Tab out. Press F2 to rename it and wall plank. PLANK. Save it. And now our floor is done. Let's check it if you guys have any doubt. Where is our wooden? This is our wooden plank. This is our green mat. Select the dark green borders. Select the dark green borders and change the snapping to face. And now we can press G and press Z. Now Shift tab. Now it's exactly on the surface of the green mat which we have. I will press this and shade it auto smooth. also, and we'll shade it auto smooth. We'll press this also and shade it auto smooth. Fine. So this is how our green floor is made. Stay tuned for part 4 and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.